Hey y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how I did this super quick and easy half up, half down hairstyle using a headband wig that I got from a company on Amazon. So if you're interested in watching, go ahead and stay tuned.
Say I'm proud of you. You're gonna have bumps and obstacles along the way. Just learn from your mistakes and keep going.
Hey y'all, and welcome to Styles by Honey. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to tap that bell so you don't miss any notifications. And if you're a returning subscriber, you already know you lit. Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today the headband wig that I'm going to be using to do this half up, half down hairstyle is a headband wig from a company on Amazon called YOLANFAIRY. This is their 100% Brazilian human hair headband, scarf wig, deep curly wave, human hair wig, no plucking wigs for women, no glue water wave. And I believe that this is the 12-inch. I can't remember. More information and a link to purchase will be in the description box below if you're interested. Okay, so this pink bag came inside of the Amazon packaging. On the pink bag has the company logo and some hair care tips. On the inside of the package, it has the headband, a wig cap, some cute little makeup brushes, and the headband wig. Alright, now the hair on this wig was super soft. No tangles, very little shedding. The headband itself was very soft as well. On the inside, there's two combs to the top, one comb at the bottom with adjustable straps. The cap itself is pretty stretchy. So far so good. Alright, so I already started this hairstyle off camera. I blew my hair out and I pressed the top part just so it would be easier to manage and easier to deal with. I braided the back section of my hair, and this top section I'm going to slick into a ponytail. I wanted to do some big dramatic baby hair, so I went ahead and sectioned out the little sideburns and two big little chunks out the side of my hairline, and then I'm going to slick the rest of it up with some Black Murray's beeswax and put it into a ponytail. And I went ahead and braided that down and I wrapped it into a bun. Now for the baby hairs, I'm going to go ahead and grab my flat iron and I'm going to curl away from my face. That's going to like give me the ability to slick the baby hairs down and make them like soap. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, so I went ahead and used a flat iron. Then I put some Gotta Be Free spray. And I'm going to go over that with my She's Bomb Collection Edge Control. I put the freeze spray on it first so it could like freeze the curl, you know. And then I put the edge control and I slicked down the beginning of the swoop to give it like a direction form. Now once I'm done laying the edges how I want them, I go over it with some Gotta Be Free spray again and blend it into my ponytail. I'm going to tie it down with a black strip. And now it's time to add the headband wig to the back half of my hair. First I'm going to wet this hair with a little bit of conditioner, water mix, and comb it out. And then I'm going to tuck the combs into the beginning of these braids. I had about 8 braids to the back, 8 cornrows, so the braids weren't too big, weren't too small, but big enough so that the combs in the wig had something to catch on to. Then I went ahead and tucked the rest of the fabric from the headband itself underneath the wig, and then I grabbed a little piece of the hair from the front. So like I only grabbed hair from like those first couple of tracks in the front center section, and I pulled that forward, and then I grabbed a rubber band and secured that hair onto my little bun. Then I was able to grab the hair that I secured with the rubber band and wrap it around my natural hair to cover that up and form the bun. Alright, now the next step, one of the last steps, is to tease the hair on the root of the section where I pulled the hair from so I could cover up the tracks. Make sure that all of the headband fabric is tucked underneath. And then I took the black strip off, and this is the finished look. So cute. And yes, this wig is secure. The combs are into my braids, and I also tied the headband thing. Like instead of using a little Velcro thing, I tied in a knot and I tucked it underneath the wig, and then I pulled that comb underneath. If you want to add hairpins, you can, but I do not believe in hairpins. And this hair, super soft. It is so soft. I love this hair texture. Super cute, super soft. I like it puffy, but you can add water, mousse, foam, conditioner to get like the defined curl wet look. So yeah, it's a really cute alternative to wearing a headband wig, like the normal headbandy way, you know. So big shout out to YOLANFAIRY on Amazon for sending me this wig. More hair information and a link to purchase is in my description box below. For more pictures and videos, go ahead and hit up my Instagram, Styles by Honey with 2 Y's, my TikTok at Styles by Honey, and Pinterest at Styles by Honey. I want to give a big shout out to you for supporting Styles by Honey. Thanks so much for watching my video today, guys. I love y'all so much. Mwah.